Hey, I'm Nicholas, one of the co-founders of Acumen, and today I'll show you how you can plan your week using Acumen's calendar system. Let's assume that I'm a computer science student. This is how I would plan my week. I will start by clicking Create Task. There are two types of tasks, productivity tasks and non-productivity tasks. Productivity tasks are the main tasks that the algorithm will try to optimize. These tasks are parameterized by their effort, how difficult the task is, and their enjoyability, how much you enjoy doing the task. Productivity tasks can be controlled by adding a hook to the task. There are three types of hooks: the use algorithm, use duration, and use time hook. The use algorithm hook means the algorithm takes full control of the task, and it will use calculus to determine how much time should be allocated and where in your schedule it should be placed. The use duration hook means you can control the exact duration of the time that should be allocated to the task, and the algorithm will find an optimal place in your schedule. The use time hook means you have full control of the task by providing the exact time when it should start and end. You can also make these tasks reoccurring by clicking the reoccurring button and choosing the days on which the task should be added. I will start by adding my morning routine to the schedule. It usually takes me about 1 hour to commute to school, so I will also add that to the schedule. My first class on Mondays and Wednesdays is Math 31, and it is from 12 p.m. to 1:50 p.m. I will add this as a productivity task, and I will use the use time hook to lock it in place. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I also have a computer science class from 5:15 to 6:35. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have English and psychology classes. I usually leave school at 6:45 p.m., so I will also add this to the schedule. While at school, I use the gaps between classes to study. I usually study math and computer science on Mondays and Wednesdays, and psychology on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I will add these tasks to my schedule as a productivity task with the use algorithm hook. We have a problem. Notice that our study tasks are being scheduled from 2 p.m. all the way until 10 p.m. This is because by default, when a schedule is created, it is assigned the default start and end time. These default times can be changed by going to the calendar settings under the Schedule tab. I can also change the start and end time for a specific schedule by clicking on the header of the calendar. My default end time is 10 p.m., so tasks will get scheduled until 10 p.m. But for my study tasks, I only want them to be scheduled during the times when I'm at school. That is between 12 p.m. and 6:35 p.m. To accomplish this, I will use the custom hours feature and define my school hours to be 12 p.m. to 6:35 p.m. and I will then assign these hours to my study tasks. The calendar page needs to be refreshed after adding custom hours. I will now assign these hours to my study tasks. Now my study tasks are scheduled during the times when I'm at school. I will now add the rest of my study tasks for Tuesday and Thursday. That concludes all my school-related tasks. On Fridays and Saturdays, I usually practice the piano for 1 hour and do a workout in the afternoon, so I will add these tasks to my schedule. And finally, I have a gaming session on Saturday. Tasks can be easily rescheduled by dragging and dropping or by clicking the Reschedule Task button. Acumen can also be integrated with external calendars like Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar. On behalf of the Acumen team, thank you for listening in on another tutorial. We hope you have a great rest of your day.